So hello everyone, welcome to my video, and today we'll be solving the parallel and series circuit problems. So in this case, we will denote our resistance 1 as 22 ohms, resistance 2 as 47 ohms, resistance 3 as 49 ohms, and our R4 25 ohms. So in this problem, as you can see, first we need to do is find the parallel R total using the parallel formula. So in this case, our RP and this R1 and R2, we will use formula R1 plus R2, which we will be substituting the value here, which equals to R1 1 over 22 plus 1 over 47. So the total for this R total in 1 and 2 is, so we have 1 over 22 plus 1 over 47, that is 69 over 134, or 0.0668. That is our resistance in R1 and R2 total resistance. Now we have found the R total in resistance 1 and resistance 2. Now we will get the R total of R3 and 4 using the parallel formula. In this case, we get the R total of 3 and 4 using the formula 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4. Substituting the formula, we get 1 over R3 is 49 plus R4 125 So to total this, we have 1 over 49 plus 1 over 25. It will be 74. 74 over 1 will be 1225. 1225 equals to 0.0604 ohms. Now the R total in resistance 4. Now we have the R total of both the parallel and parallel RT12 and RT4. Since this now a series circuit, to get the R total, we will use the formula RT 1, 2, 3, 4 is equals to R2 1, 2 plus RT 3, 4. So to substitute the data, we have 1, 2 plus 0.6673 plus 0.0604. It will be equals to 0.673 plus 0.0604. 0.7277 ohms. Now we have the R total for this whole circuit. But in this circuit, we have missing. In this case, we don't have the current total. So to get the current total, we'll be using the formula IT is equals to V over your total resistance. So let me that IT is equals to your V, 24 volts, over your resistance total of 0.7277 equals to 24 divided by 0.7277 is 32.98 amps. So this is our problem number 1. So to our next problem, we have a same problem here. So first is we need to get the our total in this parallel circuit. So to get this total resistance, we have R2 of 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3, which is based from this given, we have 1 over 47 plus your R3 1 over 49. So we'll resolve to plus 1 over 49 0.04168 ohms. Now we'll read part. That is our R2, our resistance in 2 and 3. Next, since this is a series circuit now, you can get easily the total resistance. So we have RT1 is equals to your R1 plus your R total resistance P. So R1 22 plus your total distance 0.4168. So that will be equal to 22.04168. This is your total resistance. We will now get the total current. So in this case, we will be using the formula IT is equals to your voltage over your total resistance. IT is equals to your volts is 60 volts over your total resistance 22.0468 for 1 is 418 ohms. Dot good divided by 22.04162.70 amps. So that is how you get the total resistance and the total current. So in this next problem, it's quite complicated since in this diagram, we will be using the combination of series in getting the total resistance and parallel in getting the total resistance. So first, we need to get the total resistance in this diagram. To get this, we will use this formula first in here, the series circuit, and how to get the total resistance. So in this case, RT equals 1 to RT12 is equals to R1 plus R2. R1 is 22 plus R2 is 47. Now equal to 69. So in this case,
0.
our RT1 to here equals to 1 to here is 69. Now, since we get the R total here in the series part, this now looks like a series circuit. So now we will get the total resistance using the format A parallel circuit. So RT1 to B equals to your RT1 plus your 1 over R equals to RT2. Substitute the given 1 9 plus RT is 49. Is 0.049 ohms. Now, since this is a series circuit, you can get the R resistance using RT equals to RT1 plus your R4. This case RT equals to 0.0349 plus R4 45. Since we have gotten the total resistance in this whole circuit, we can now get the total current. So this equals to V equals V 300 volts over 25.039 25.039 amps. So on to our last problem. So first in this problem, we need to get the total resistance to this parallel circuit. Which is equals to R 1 over R plus 1 over R. So substitute the given. So what is that is 1 over 47 plus R2 1 over 49. So that is 1 over 47 plus 1 over 49. We have 0.04168 ohms. Series. So now this is in a series circuit. We will now get the total resistance using this formula. RT 1 R1 plus R2. Substitute the values. R1 is 22 plus your R 0.0468. That will be 22.04. Now, to get the total current, we'll be using IT is equals to your volt over your R. In this case, IT is equals to your volt, 30 volts, over your total resistance, 0.468. 30 divided by 22.0468. That will be 1.36 amps. So that's how you get the analysis in parallel and series. I hope you find this video